In this video we are going to discuss how to solve a long division problem. The first step is to write the problem. So in this problem we have 4 here and 48 over here. So we say this 48 divided by 4, and we have this division sign right here in between. So today's problem is 48 divided by 4. The first thing that we do is see if 4 here, the number that we're dividing by, can go into the first number in 48. So we think to ourselves, can 4 go into 4? Yes, 4 does go into 4. Well, how many times? And so we put up here, right above that first 4, the 1, because 4 goes into 4 one time. So now that we have our 1 up here, we know that 4 goes into 1, or 4 goes into 4 one time. Then we can do 4 times 1, and that gives us 4, and we put that right down here underneath that 4 and 48. And then once we have 4 times 1 equals 4, and we have that 4 underneath here, we subtract 4 minus 4, and we get 0. So we put down the 0 down here. And once we have that, we bring down the next number. So we have an 8. So we bring down that all the way down here and write 8. Then we go back and do the same steps over again, except for this time we go, how many times does 4 go into 8? Or can 4 go into 8? Well, yes, 4 can go into 8, so how many times can it go into 8? Well, 4 can go into 8 2 times, so we put 2 up here. And then again, we multiply 4 times 2, and we get 8, which we put down here underneath that other 8 that we brought down. And then we subtract. 8 minus 8 is 0. So we don't have anything left over. So we are completely done with this problem. So our answer is 12. So that's how you do basic long division. You first see if your divisor can go into here to the number that you're dividing by. So by each digit in that number. So again, like we did before, 4 goes into 4 how many times? Well, 1 time. And then then we do 4 times 1, which gives us 4, and then we subtract, which we have 0, and then we bring down that 8. And then we go, how many times does 4 go into 8? So that would be 2. So we do 4 times 2 is 8. So we write 8 down here, and 8 minus 8 is 0. So we put 0 down here, and that gives us our answer of 12. So you'll continue on exploring and doing more long division problems. And so I would challenge you to do a couple problems yourself and see how far you can get.